Okay, so this is going to be the final example, at least for a while, of how to plot the shear force and bending moments using Excel. And this is the solution for example 2b. So this is the solutions that we got. So the shear force between A and C is 90 minus 20 kilonewtons. So I've marked this as 20 or as kilonewtons. So that's equal to 90 minus 20 multiplied by X. And I copy that to the 3-meter line. And then at 3 meters, it goes from C to B. So it's here minus 70 minus 20x equals minus 70 minus 20 multiplied by x. And we copy that down to, where does that go, to 4 meters. Okay, so this is the 4 meter then. So between B and, sorry, that should be 6 meters. It should be 6 meters. Control X. And we can get rid of that. So 3, and then it changes here at 6, yeah. And at 6 meters, it is equal to, that's between B and D. B and D is, I've mislabeled these, so these should be B and D. So that's equal to 290 minus 20x. And let's put those in brackets. Okay, and the bending moment then from A to C is equal to 90 multiplied by x. Put those in brackets. Minus 10 multiplied by x squared. Okay, and we're going to copy that down to 3. And then from C to B, it is minus 70 multiplied by x. Minus, brackets, 10 multiplied by x squared plus 480. Should be plus 480. And I copied that down as far as 6 meters. And then from 6 to 8, it's going to be equal to, in brackets, 290 multiplied by x minus, in brackets, 10 multiplied by x squared minus 1680. And if I want to plot that then, just highlight it, and I'm going to go for insert, pivots, and because there's x squareds, and I know there's going to be some curved lines in it. So that's it. All right. It doesn't like the straight lines. Okay, so that's the shear force and bending moment diagram. Okay, that's it. Hope you find that useful.